Hello, my name is Emily Copeland. In this key concept presentation, I will discuss an essential element of the Developing Researchers Toolkit, field searching. With field searching, database users can enhance strategic searching by targeting specific index terms attached to records. Searching with fields increases the precision of a search, as it tells databases what to look for and where to look for desired information contained within a record. Not all databases index items using the same fields, and not all fields have the same level of precision. But the process of searching via fields is a transferable skill applicable to a wide variety of databases and search engines. While often combined with other commands and techniques, such as Boolean operators, proximity connectors, enclosing exact phrases within quotation marks, truncation, and wildcards, field searching is a distinct topic signaling a need for deeper investigation. In my own searching, knowing how to utilize fields, depending on the database I was using, transformed my searches. With this in mind, let's take a closer look. By default, searches will most often scan all available fields at once in a single search. Field searching is a more advanced search technique, which means users must apply available advanced search options provided by a given platform or search engine. For the purposes of this presentation, I will mainly be referring to dialog when discussing search options and fields. Fields most often appear as a drop-down menu item in the advanced search options, as it does in dialog. These same fields can be manually typed into a search string using the syntax field label, followed by a search term contained in parentheses. Note the provided example, TI, parenthesis, light bulb in quotation marks, parentheses. Here, all documents with the words light bulb in the title are retrieved. On the left, TI, or document title, is listed among the most common field codes. Not all databases use the same fields, meaning it is best practice to first review database documentation at the beginning of any search. In dialog, this documentation includes prosheets, which cover details about relevant field codes. It's important to be careful when field searching. When searching multiple databases at once, for example, field codes in a search string will instruct the search platform to only retrieve records from databases utilizing the indicated field code. This means a search string containing LP light bulb rather than TI, for example, will only retrieve documents containing this term in the document's lead paragraph, LP. However, not all databases index documents with this level of precision. Not all databases use the LP field code. So with this example, databases that do not use LP metadata will be excluded from the search. This exclusion is powerful and perhaps unintentional, so prioritize specific databases whenever possible to ensure field codes can retrieve relevant records. Finally, building searches over time is another way to harness field codes. Using too many field codes at once without an in-depth understanding of a database's behavior can lead to more exclusion, which sometimes that is what you want, but often, as mentioned, it's unintentional. As seen here, field searching is often cyclical and repeatable. It is an iterative process beginning with database and field code selection before studying results and refining fields and search terms in response to these results. Depending on the search, it may be necessary to revisit these steps multiple times until relevant records are located. In my personal experience, this is where search planning plays a big role, because over time, you can analyze the results that you're getting with the field codes that you are using, and I have here listed documenting index terms. You can start to follow those terms and figure out how to best harness that field code. Overall, field searching requires a balanced approach of both precision and recall, while also remaining attentive to database complexity. For more information on field searching, please review the following resources. Thank you, and best of luck on your searches.